In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a partition on your Windows 11 computer. So to go and create a partition on one of your disks, you need to first head over to the Start menu and just search for the word partition and then click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Now from this window, just go and select the drive that you want to partition. So for example, we can go and create a partition of our C drive, and you need to right click on the drive, click on Shrink Volume, and then go and decide the amount of size that you want to shrink this drive by. So I want to allocate 1000 megabytes to my new drive, so I'm going to type in 1000 and then press Shrink. So once you've partitioned your drive, you'll see now this unallocated space in this black window. All you need to do is right click on this unallocated space, click on New Simple Volume, click on Next, select the size of your new drive. I'm going to keep this at 1000 and press Next. Now you can decide whether you want to change the letter of this drive. I'm just going to keep it as a D drive, then go and press Next. You can also give this drive a name, so I'm going to change this to New Drive and then press Next and go and press Finish. And now just like that, if I come over to my computer, we can see we now have this new D drive that we just created, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.